What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be working on our Model 3 here, and we're going to be installing the flexible LED frunk light on the Model 3. This is going to provide a lot more light in the frunk. It's going to go all the way around and just light the whole area up. It's a pretty easy install, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so go ahead and pop your frunk. And we're going to be looking at this trim panel right here. We're just going to want to lift this off. It's pretty easy to lift off with your hands. You just want to pull up on it, and it should release just like that. Now this plug here is for our stock frunk light, and we just want to pull this plug straight out. Alright, so now we can take our new LED light and we'll just plug it into the factory plug right here. And then we're going to take this other end, and it's just going to go into the factory light. And if your light doesn't come on right away, just tap this button right here and it will come back on. Alright, now we can put the trim panel back into place. And I'm just going to route the wire up towards the top here. Snap it back in. So now we're just going to tuck this light away by lifting up on the bottom of the weather stripping right here, and the light's simply just going to tuck into this groove. And you'll notice the light is coming out near the bottom here, and we just want to install this to where the bottom faces down once it's underneath the weather strip. That way it will illuminate all the way around the frunk. Alright, and that is going to do it for our install today of the flexible frunk light on this Tesla Model 3. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment below. We'd be happy to help. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're not already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new content coming up. We've got lots more Tesla videos coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.